Same thing. Nobody really knows what casting lots is. It's some kind of game like rock, paper, scissors, or draw on a straw, or something like that. In this case, we're going to use rock, paper, scissors, and let the Lord decide with the casting of lots. So whoever wins picks the first kayak.
Yeah, you can.
The second person picks the next two.
Just go around it.
And then you go back to pick one again. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's 4. You pick.
Disqualified! Someone doesn't know the rules!
You're terrible!
Honesty.
Yep. All right. Okay, choose 2.
Green and
underwater, okay, and I was like, oh, where'd it go? I like went right where I was ready for it to come up, and I heard it behind me. I was like, oh.
Hazard.
You say not to hit people.
Well, I mean, hitting other people is something that might happen. But yeah, as a courtesy, you don't want to do that.
You've got to. No, put that one clear up there. Go, 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 go. Guys, get ready, get ready.
On now, go, 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 go.
How about you just come up there?
On the beach. On the beach. Great.
Matthew's our anchor.
I had a dog's entire kayak.
Come on, Tristan!
Get ready. Yeah, I saw that. Get ready to show.
No, he didn't even go around the beach. Yeah, he did.
Went around the movies.
What's up?
When they did. Actually, Matt kind of stuck. Look at him going at the rear.
Go. How was that race?
Tiring. I think a couple of canoes.
Couple canoes cut in front of us.
Bradley failed me.
Squid Ink. If you were ahead of Squid Ink, you think you would have won the race?
If we had started out ahead, yeah, I think we could have won. Gaps more than we did, but
How much of a start did you need? I mean, girly style.
well, we didn't probably from like here to about halfway to the buoy would be all we needed.
If your kayak would have hit the sand and then touch the cement before the other team, you'd have won that?
Maybe.
You think if they would have finished the whole race and got to the cement before you, they'd have won that race?
Gone off.